Hello, welcome to another Linux Terminal Commands for Beginners tutorial. For this video I will be talking about the chmod command, change file mode bits. Chmod is a command that allows the user to change a file's permissions. Let's open up the terminal. Let me first start by changing directories into one I prepared examples for in this video. cd chmod. Remember how in an earlier video I talked about viewing a file or directory's permission by using the long list format? Well, in this video I will show you how to change a file's permissions with the chmod command. ls-l. Before we do an example, let's do a quick review on file permissions. Take a look at Cauchy.png and its permissions. The first character on the permissions is either a dash or a D. If it is a D, then it is a directory like pictures. Cauchy.png has a dash, so it is a file. The next three characters represent the permissions for the owner. The first character is either an R or a dash. If it is an R, it is readable. If it is a dash, it is not readable. Cauchy.png is readable for the owner. The next character is either a W or a dash. If it is a W, it is writable. If it is a dash, it is not writable. Cauchy.png is writable for the owner. And the next character is either X or dash. If it is an X, the file is runnable. If it is a dash, it is not runnable. Cauchy.png is not runnable for the owner. The next three characters represent permissions for the group. The same rules as the owner permissions apply. For the group, it's rw-, so it's read, write access, and no run access for the group Cauchy. The last three characters represent permissions for others or everyone else. This follows the same rules as the owner and group. The others' permissions are r-, so it's read only for everyone else for Cauchy.png. Okay, with that information in mind, let's change the permissions of Cauchy.png with the chmod command. Say I want to remove read, write access and add run access for the owner of file Cauchy.png. Enter chmod u for the owner minus rw plus x Cauchy.png. The u represents that I want to make changes for the owner. The minus or dash sign means I want to take away these permission types, which is R for read, W for write. The plus sign means I want to add these permission types, and I only put X for run. Now let's ls-l. We see Cauchy.png for the owner is --x. So we removed read, write access and added run access. Let's do the same now for group and other permissions by removing read, write and adding run access on them. For group, let's enter chmod g for group minus rw plus x Cauchy.png. Just like owner file permissions, since I want to make changes for the group, I enter G to represent group, minus to take away rw, which is read and write access, plus to add x, which is run access, onto Cauchy.png. Now ls-l, and the permission for the group is --x. So read, write access has been removed from the group, and run access has been added to the group. For others or everybody else, to change permissions to --x or run only, enter chmod o for others minus rw plus x Cauchy.png. Same as with users and groups, except we use O to signify we are changing permissions for others. Minus and plus conventions apply here just like before. ls-l. The permission of others is changed to --x. Read-write access has been removed while run access has been added to Cauchy.png. Now that we have changed the permissions for owner, group, and others to --x or just run access only, let's change them back to what it was previously. rw-, which is read-write for the owner, rw- again, which is read-write for the group, and r-, which is read-only for others. Instead of individually entering 3 separate commands for changing permissions, we only need to enter one command line. Enter chmod u for owner plus rw, we're adding read-write, minus x, we're removing run, comma g for group plus read-write minus run, comma o for other plus read minus write run to Cauchy.png. We can modify owner, group, and other so long as they're separated by commas. ls-l. We can see Cauchy.png's permissions have been changed to rw- read-write for owner and group, and r-, read-only for others. That's pretty much how it works. The format goes chmod u for owner plus, for the permissions you want to add, either rw or x, minus the permissions you want to take away, which is either rw or x once again, comma g for group, add your permissions, take away your permissions, o for other, add permissions, take away permissions, and the file that you want to modify permissions of. There is actually a more cleaner, efficient way of using chmod with octal permissions that I will talk about in the next video, but I think doing it this way first will give you a good idea of what's going on before jumping into the octal method. To summarize, we use the chmod command to change file permissions for various user types: owner, group, and other. For more information on the chmod command, check out its manual page at man chmod. This concludes my Linux terminal commands for beginners tutorial, chmod command. Here are some more Linux for beginners videos. Also, please like or subscribe, but only if you want to. And lastly, thanks for watching.